Hello data family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will practice some basic Excel formulas. So let's start the video. As you can see, the first question is count length of text in value 1 और हमारी यहाँ पे value 1 है रिया कुमारी. So इसके लिए हम formula use करेंगे equals to LEN. All the letters will be in capital, bracket open, then we will select the cell for which we want to count the length. Here the cell value will be E4, then bracket close, enter. So हमारी value है 11. As you can see, Riya is a 4-letter word and Kumari is a 6-letter word. So 6 plus 4 is 10. But हमारी value यहाँ पे 11 आई है because ये जहाँ पे जो extra space है between Riya and Kumari वो भी हमने count किया है. That means 6 plus 4 10 and plus 1 extra for this space. Next question is sum of value 1, value 2 and value 3. So for this we will use the formula equals to SUM bracket open. We will select all the values, then bracket close, enter. So the sum is 553. You can also check it manually. Next question is average of value 1, value 2 and value 3. For this we will use the formula equals to AVERAGE average, bracket open. We will select all the cells, then bracket close, enter. So our average is 469.3333. Next question is highest value among value 1, value 2, value 3. So इन तीन values में से हमारी highest कौन सी value है वो find करनी है हमें. So for this we will use the formula equals to MAX. We have to find the highest value. That's why we are using the max formula. Then bracket open. We will select all the cells, bracket close, enter. So our highest value is 79%. Next question is rank of value 2 among the three values. So we have to find the rank of value 2 among these three values. For this we will use the formula equals to RANK rank.EQ as it returns the top rank of a number in a number list. That's why we will use rank.EQ, bracket open. First we will select the value for which we want to find the rank. That's why we are selecting the value 2 first, then comma, then we will select all the values among which we want to find the rank, then brackets close, enter. So the value rank of value 2 is 3. Next question is first 6 letters of text in value 1. So for finding the first 6 letters, we are going from left to right. That's why here we will use the formula equals to LEFT, left. As for finding the first 6 letters, we have to go from left to right. That's why we are using here left. Then bracket open, we will select the cell, comma, then how many letters we want? 6 letters. So 6, bracket close, enter. So our first 6 letters is Joseph. Next question is last 8 letters of text in value 1. So now we want the last 8 letters, and for last 8 letters we will go from right to left. That's why here we will use equals to RIGST, right, bracket open. We will select the cell, then comma, and how many letters we want? 8 letters. So 8, bracket close, enter. So we have got the answer. Next question is check if value 1 and value 2 are same. So we have to find if value 1 and value 2 are same. If they are same, the answer will be true, and if they are not, the answer will be false. So for this we will write equals to first cell equals to second cell, enter. Our value is false as both the values are not same. Next question is find day of the week. For this we will use the formula equals to weekday as it returns the day of the week of a date from 1 to 7. Weekday, bracket open, select the cell, comma, 1. We will use 1 because number 1 is Sunday through 7 Saturday. So we will start from number 1. That's why here will come 1, bracket close, enter. So our answer is 7. Next question is round the value up to 2 decimal places. So we have to round up this number up to 2 decimal places. For this we will use the formula equals to ROUND, round, bracket open. We will select the cell and we want 2 decimal places. So comma 2, bracket close, enter. So now our number is rounded up to 2 decimal places. So today we have practiced these 10 questions of Excel formulas, and in the next video we will try the questions of conditional formatting. So yeah, that's all for today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.